Hey Fox, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you a very useful guide on how to change the system language in your Windows 11 PC or laptop. So without any further ado, let's begin. Firstly, you need to proceed at the button search bar and from here, please type for settings. Once you've typed it, wait until a best match would appear and once it's here, please click on open to continue. Now here at the settings, please proceed at the left side of that where you can see a list of the option. Please navigate to time and language. So here at the time and language, please locate for language and region where you can see the language and region settings as well as its related settings. So under the language, you can see their preferred languages. Click this add a language. And from here, you would be able to see all of the language that is available for you. So from here, you can select the language that you'd like to. So let's say, for example, if you would like to set the Filipino, okay, as your system language, all you need to do is you need to click on next, okay, and it's now searching for language features. You just have to wait until this would be ready before you can proceed on the installation. Okay. And once it is being ready, if you here under the language preferences, you need to check the box which is set as my Windows display language. The moment you click on install, it will be installed here in your Windows. And the moment you will the moment the installation will be done, it will be set as your system language here in your Windows 11 PC or laptop. Okay? So by that, you just have to restart your computer and you would be able to set that specific language as your system language in your PC or laptop. Okay? So that's it. If you think this video helped you a lot, then please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and have a good day.